Hello, today we will guide you through how to deposit money in Pepperstone. To begin, open your browser and go to the Pepperstone Secure Client area. This is your account dashboard. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you can access your live accounts. Once you're in, look for trading accounts in the main menu or the sidebar and select it. This page lists every account linked to you. Take a moment to identify the exact account you intend to fund, especially if you have more than one. Next, find that account on the list and click Deposit. In the tutorial, this is shown beside a sample account. On your screen, it will appear next to your own account. Choosing the correct account is important because funds go directly to the account you select and the currency settings will follow that account's configuration. If you don't see the deposit button where you expect, there's an alternative route. Open the Funds section from the navigation. From there, choose Deposit and you'll arrive at the same funding workflow. Now simply follow the steps that appear on your page. You'll typically be asked to select a payment method, enter an amount, and review the summary before confirming. Pick the method that suits you best and make sure the payment source is in your name, as most brokers only accept deposits from accounts held by the same person. Cards and certain e-wallets can be near instant, while bank transfers may take a few business days depending on your bank. Check the currency shown and be aware of any conversion your bank or provider may apply. If a reference code is displayed for a bank transfer, save it and use it exactly as shown so your funds are allocated correctly. Before you submit, double-check the account number and deposit amount. After confirming, wait on the page until you see a success message. Don't refresh the browser during processing. Once the deposit is complete, you can return to trading accounts to view the updated balance. If you're logging into your trading platform and don't see the change immediately, give it a moment or refresh the connection. Balances usually synchronize shortly. For your security, always sign out of the Secure Client area when you're done and avoid completing deposits over public Wi-Fi. That's it. You've navigated to the Secure Client, opened trading accounts, used Deposit or the Funds section, and followed the on-screen instructions to fund your account with confidence.